Hello viewers, you are watching Technofeed and welcome to another episode of Tech Talk with some latest global news. Without wasting much time, let's begin the video with the news that is meant for the safety of you and your family. Indian Ministry of Home Affairs in its guidelines issued on Saturday about phase-wise opening of lockdown said that the Arogya Setu mobile application enables early identification of risk of infection. Thus, it acts as a shield for individuals and the community. So make sure you have installed this app in your phone. Now talking about gadgets, Google Home plays your favorite music, reminds you not to burn your casseroles and even turn your lights off before bed. But did you know it can also crunch numbers? Yep, Google Home's onboard AI is not only an entertaining party guest but also a skilled mathematician. We love to keep variety of wallpapers and often tend to change it with upcoming updates, but this time don't do that. There's a photo of sunset that is cursed because when set as a wallpaper, it will break some Android phones. The image has an improper coded Google color profile which causes the Android system UI to crash from an out-of-bound errors. For some phones, you can reboot into safe mode and reset the wallpaper, but for some others, you will have to go into the bootloader and completely factory reset the phone. So make sure your phone is away from this wallpaper. Touchscreen was invented in 1965 and since then people want it in their every possible gadget. And touchscreens are probably better suited to large laptops than small when it comes to collaborative working. The HP's Laptop 17Z is the most affordable 17-inch touchscreen laptop on the market. Available at the time of writing for only $569.99. So if you love touchscreen gadgets and worried about your budget, then this is the best solution for your desire. Moving forward, following the rising tensions between India and China and the escalating discontent against the country worldwide, a Jaipur-based startup in India has launched an application called Remove China Apps. This app developed by OneTouch App Labs, which detects apps made in China on the user's phone and provides a simple UI to remove them. Since its release on May 17, the app has already garnered massive support and has crossed 1 million downloads in less than 2 weeks. It is currently the top free app available on Google Play Store. So if you too are worried about these Chinese apps, install this app as soon as possible and clear the cache. If you are an Android user and don't update your phones, then this news will make you to do that. The Indian Computer Emergency Response Team under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has issued an advisory for Android users with high severity rating. As per the advisory, those who are using smartphones that do not run the latest Android 10 operating system are at the risk of snooping, and attackers can exploit a newly found vulnerability to spy on the users through the phone's microphone and camera, and also track GPS location details on the affected device. We also have something for Xiaomi lovers. Xiaomi's next generation fitness tracker, Mi Band 5, has been in news for quite some time now. In the past, reporters have not only detailed the features but also the design of Mi Band 4's successor. Xiaomi is planning to launch the Mi Band 5 next month. The reporter says that Xiaomi made the announcement via its Xiaomi Mall WeChat, wherein it said that its next generation fitness tracker would arrive on June 11. Now moving forward to the final talk of this episode. After decades, Audi has taken a turn and has become a pioneer to launch a high-tech car. It has created a new business unit called Artemis to bring electric vehicles equipped with highly automated driving systems and other tech to market. So that's all for this episode. We will be coming back soon with another episode of Tech Talk. And if you have not watched our previous Tech Talk video, then do watch it. I have mentioned it in the above I button. So till then, like, share and subscribe our channel and be safe.